Our IP6000 electric actuator. This actuator has a maximum thrust of 600 kilograms. Inside this actuator, a reed switch is added and a magnetic sensor switch is installed externally. This magnetic sensor switch can be placed inside the actuator slot, then fixed with our screws. Where should we set the travel distance? The customer. Set it yourself. Let's operate it. This is our relay. The magnetic switch is connected to the relay. For example, I want it to stop here. When it extends here, the red light will come on. Red light on. It has extended to the specified position. Another position. When it reaches the specified position, the red light will turn on. The actuator stops extending.